I got these kids' drawings and I brought them to life, but they turned out way stranger and funnier than I expected. So make sure to watch till the end. First up, we have this drawing right here, which looks more like a cat. I'm going to fill the entire body with cat fur, and I think it's better to start with the body first. I'm using the drawing as a base in the background to make everything easier and to match it exactly, even though this shape is very awkward. Now the paws, I'll use normal cat paws and just adjust them a little. The tail is already in place, so now it's time for the head. And done! A realistic kid's drawing. The next drawing is this one. It's a cow, right? Since it's a cow, I'll start by adding the skin like this, covering the entire drawing. To make it match the original, I need to follow the drawing exactly. Now it's time for the cow's head. And honestly, this is getting pretty weird. Now for the legs. The first one is in place, adjusting the second one now. Third leg done, and this last one also needs to stay exactly like in the drawing. And finally, the cow's udders, which honestly look like a bag. And done, a very distorted cow named Mimosa. Third drawing now, which is supposedly a shark. Let's move into the underwater environment. First, I'll fill the whole body again and adjust everything properly. Now the tail and the fin, or antenna. I don't really know what this is called. I know there's a fish with antennas, but this definitely isn't that. I think it's a fin, or maybe a shark hand. I just need to make sure it's well aligned on both sides, checking the original drawing. And finally, the shark's face, the two eyes and the mouth. Nah, that mouth looks weird. That's better. Just a few adjustments, because in the drawing he's smiling, so I need to do the same here. And done. Hit the like button and subscribe to help the channel grow. And comment which drawing you're liking the most so far. Now it's time for the pig drawing. Starting with the body like always, adjusting it the best way possible, because the rule here is to make it look exactly like the drawing. Now the legs in this pig is special. He only has 2 legs. Damn. I'm making this tail by hand because it's different. Are pigtails actually like this? Curly like that? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Now the head. I need to align it properly, but oh damn. I could leave it like this, but I think it'll be way funnier once it's finished. I just need to adjust the mouth and the eyes and give him that nice smile. And there we go. Our pig with 2 legs. Ew. This looks like a dinosaur, but one of those with a really long neck. Anyway, let's start with the base, adjusting everything properly. Placing the head with its long neck in position. I need to redo this face to match the drawing exactly. 2 big eyes and a smiling mouth. Actually, it needs to smile even more. That's better. Now adding and adjusting the tail using puppet warp, then deforming it to cover the bottom part of the drawing. And finally, the legs, which are pretty big. I guess they need to support the body weight, since these dinosaurs could weigh up to 50 tons. The artist who drew this probably thought about that too. And done. I decided to place him with his friends so he wouldn't feel lonely. Also, check out other videos on the channel you might like.